In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Etsy Sales Report. We'll walk through the full process from finding Etsy to saving the CSV file to your computer with a few tips to help you choose the right report for your needs. This is perfect if you're organizing finances, reconciling payouts, or preparing documentation for accounting and taxes. First, open a new browser window and search for Etsy. In your search results, click the official Etsy link to go to the site. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account associated with your shop. If you're on the buyer view, open your account, then go to Account Settings. From there, move into your Shop Manager. In Shop Manager, select Settings, and then choose Options. Inside Options, look for the Download Data tab and click it. This is where Etsy provides downloadable CSV files that summarize your shop's activity. In the Orders section, you'll see drop-down menus for CSV type, month, and year. Use these to define exactly what you want to download. If you want a report for an entire year, leave the month drop-down blank and just choose the year. That's a simple way to grab a full-year report without compiling monthly files. Next, choose the type of sales report that best fits your purpose. If you select Orders, you'll get a list of all your sales with order-level detail, including the order total. This is great for quick overviews. If you select Order Items, you'll receive a line for every individual item sold, which is helpful when you need granular breakdowns by product. And if you choose Etsy Payment Sales, you'll get a detailed look at payment-related activity, which is useful for reconciling payouts and fees. Once your selections are set, click the Download CSV button. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. If you're asked where to save it, choose a folder you'll remember, such as a bookkeeping or tax documents folder. CSV files can be opened by most spreadsheet tools, and they're easy to filter, sort, and analyze later. If you don't immediately see the new file, check your browser's downloads list. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see Shop Manager, you may be viewing a profile that doesn't have a shop attached. Also, if you manage multiple date ranges, double-check the year and whether the month is left unselected for a full-year export. Finally, keep these files in a secure location, especially if they include financial details. That's it. Your Etsy sales report is now downloaded and ready for use.